We're here at Collegetown Court to take a look at apartment 405. Let's go on in. This is a 5-bedroom apartment. As we go in, you'll see we've entered to the kitchen area. I like this kitchen. It's a renovated kitchen, so you can see we've got the newer appliances. I like that large refrigerator with the double doors on the top and the freezer down below. You've got some great drawers between the refrigerator and the dishwasher. You can see the microwave and the stove and oven over here, another big drawer, and I really like these gray colors in here. That's a really pretty finish that they've done for this renovated kitchen. Let's go on into the living space. This is a huge living room here. We've got a lot of space in here. You can move things around wherever you like. They've put the high top table here next to the kitchen, but it could go against that wall. And let's go on through. The TV is mounted on the wall to the left. You can see we've got the couch and the other seating, some tables. There's an air conditioner for the living room that's mounted in the window. That other window does open. And from the living room, we're facing to the east. That's looking up Dryden Road to some buildings up there. So as you know, we're in the center of Collegetown, so you'll always see buildings around us here in the neighborhood. And that's a look back. We came in through that red door over on the left. Let's go look. We'll take a peek at the bathroom and then we'll see the bedrooms. So the bathroom is over here on the left. Let's go get a peek in there. We'll get the door open. Okay, so here's the bathroom for the apartment. So you can see we've got the toilet and the vanity and sink, and the tub shower is over here on the right side, and you can see their wall cabinet over there. This apartment has one other nice feature here. It's got a storage closet. You can see it's got enough room for a suitcase size. You can put cleaning supplies, things like that in there, maybe winter coats. Let's go take a look at bedrooms. What I like about this apartment is all the bedrooms are very uniform in size and style. And let's go on in. This is bedroom 1, so this is the farthest away from the living space, across from that hall closet. The bedrooms will always have that dresser, bookshelf, desk and chair, full-size bed, and they'll always all have a closet. We're facing to the north in these rooms, which is towards campus. There's a church right next door to us. They make for a nice quiet neighbor. You can see a closet here. So these first rooms, the closets will alternate on the left or right side. This one is on the left as we enter. Let's go on through and we'll see the next room. Room 2 is directly across from that bathroom. This one has the closet on the right. And you can see this one they've set the furniture all up kind of on a row. We know those rooms are always similar, but we like to show you some different ways you can set up the furnishings in the apartment. Closet over there. Again, that church over next door. All the rooms have a deadbolt lock. Let's pass through the living room again. And we'll go to room 3, which is off the living room. So room 3 has the closet on the left again. And this time they put the bookshelf over here at the end of the bed. That's a fun placement. And looking out over here. So this building has 5 floors. We're on floor number 4 here. We have this style of apartment on floors 2 through 5. There's an elevator. Collegetown Court is located at 208 Dryden Road. We're in the center of Collegetown. Let's go into room number 4. One more closet on the left. And you can see a little bit better out the window over here. Some neighborhood trees and things. Another different bookshelf placement. So lots of options for how you can place your furnishings here in the rooms. Oh, here's the closet. And let's go across the living room to room 5. Room 5 is behind the kitchen. So room 5 will be facing to the east and has one other distinction. Let's go on in so you can see that east view again. And here in room 5, this one has the largest closet and has a tiny bit more floor space because the closet is flush with the wall. So this one does have the deeper closet, so that's a consideration for whoever gets room 5. The rooms are all basically the same size. This one has a little tiny bit more space, floor space, and the larger closet. So that's a look at Collegetown Court. We're in apartment 405. This is a 5-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment here in central Collegetown. This building is located at 208 Dryden Road. We're just up from the corner of College and Dryden, the main intersection here in Collegetown, where we are just 1 block from campus.